This is my advice to new posters on YouTube 13. Espousing strong emotional content, whether it's religious or political or social, social, you may want to avoid it if you want people to subscribe to your channel. You start espousing any religious beliefs, and everyone who doesn't believe that religion or that sect probably likely to not want to watch you. Politics. You really want to stay away from politics. You espouse the wrong thing, and everyone who doesn't think that way politically going to cut you off. It doesn't matter what it is, left, right, up, down, corkscrewed from out of the fourth dimension. Strong political ideas get you cut off in a hurry. And even if you're playing to the popular political beliefs of the moment, politics is very strange. Political parties go out like that. Yes, they do. Just doing a little bit of housekeeping on this computer right here for a moment. There. Now you connect, okay? Social. I don't care what social issue you want to get on your soapbox about. Be extremely freaking careful. Because that's perhaps some of the most dangerous content. And you will lose subscribers rapidly. I personally know, because I started telling people that they were stupid if they didn't get vaccinated, wear a mask, and socially distance themselves. And over a month, I lost a fifth of my subscribers. Made me feel like Jack Nicholson in A Few Good Men. They can't handle the truth. And that's a fact. So don't lay no heavy facts on them. You know? Don't tell the idiots that they're idiots. Ignore the whole situation. If they're going to find out, they'll find out by themselves. If they're not going to find out, all you'll do is shoot yourself and your channel. No. Good night from California. Stay safe. Get vaccinated. Wear a mask. Socially distance yourself from people that you don't know and haven't proved that they've been vaccinated and aren't currently carrying COVID-19, because they call it breakthrough infections. Even people who are inoculated with the vaccine, fully inoculated, right, can get the infection. And if you have the infection, you can spread it. Anyway, good night from California. Stay safe.